Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is March the 18th. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Australian dollars, right? This is 60 minutes chart. You can see the pair rallies higher after the FOMC meeting, right? And this is not the only pair that rallies. I think everything against US dollar continues to rally after the speech by Jay Powell today, right? So now we're gonna take a look here and see what we can expect. We can see we ended with 4 over here, right? We ended with 4, and that is in the primary degree. Which means we are now starting with 5 already. We can see a 5-way sub here, followed by a pullback ending here, and then we got a new high above that previous high. So we have a higher high. So that suggests the next leg higher could be already starting, right? Now let's take a look here. So okay, first of all, let's check out what we expect. We expect, as long as the pullback stays above that low before the FOMC, right? As long as the pullback stays above that low, we should be extending higher. Okay, in terms of the target to the upside, the minimum is going to be 100%, right? The minimum is going to be 100%, which is 0.7878. 100% of this 1 2 to the upside. But if this is a wave 3, technically it can go to extend to 1.618. It can go to 0.8, which is the 1.618, right? So it depends on how strong that wave 3 is. So now let's take a look at the larger degree. We're going to take a look at the 4-hour, and remember the position of this 1 and 2 in red as well as 4 in black. So this is the 1 and 2 in red, this is the 4 in black if we look at it from the 4-hour chart. Okay, so we can, by looking at this, we can conclude, for example, that this peak needs to be a wave 3, right? So that means we are now within wave 5, and wave 5 should be in the form of 5 waves, and from here we got this higher high. Like we said before, we have a minimum target towards 0.7877, which is the 100%, and then it can go to as high as 0.8 if that is a wave 3. All right. So the condition is that pullback needs to stay above this wave 2 low now, 0.67695. Now what can be the alternate? Well, the alternative here is we first need to break above that previous peak. The alternative is this could be just simply an ABC, right? This could simply be an ABC, and we end it here, and then after we end, this is a 3 waves, right? This looks like a 3 waves ABC as well here. So this could be, let's say, let's put the W here. We can put a W here, and we can, if you want to subdivide it more, we can have a ABC here, ending W here, and then you can have an ABC rally ending an X, and then you can sell off again if that's the case, right? So that will be the alternate. So as long as we have not broken above 3, so technically we do not have the confirmation that we can really extend. Now, however, having said that, you can see other US dollar pairs. I think the strongest one right now is the Canadian dollars, because you can see the US dollar CAD actually has already extended lower. It has already broken on the previous low. But in the case of Aussie dollars, it has not broken above the previous peak here. So it still needs to break above here to avoid double correction. But judging by the overall market view, we are taking the more aggressive view, calling for completed. And now, as long as we stay above here, we should be able to see more upside. Okay, so hopefully this video is helpful. As always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again tomorrow, and thank you for visiting. Have a nice day, everyone.